If you need three-row luxury with all-wheel drive, take a look at this 2021 Cadillac XT6 Premium Luxury here at Bryan's Car Corner in Chickasha. This one is sitting right around 93,000 miles and comes with a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine paired to an automatic transmission for confident power on the highway or around town. Inside, you get a power panoramic moonroof and a heated steering wheel for those cold Oklahoma mornings, plus driver assist tech like lane keeping assist, blind spot sensor, and a pre-collision warning system with audible, visual, and vibrating seat alerts. It's priced at $27,995 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $28,294 plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.